Adam, come on, get in here. And look at her face. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday. All right, we got to Disney World. We bought the wrong package, so we've had to wait for a refund and get the right one. So anyway, so we're finally here at Animal Kingdom. Do you like Animal Kingdom?
I don't like it anymore.
So apparently he's mad because why is it? Because you can't play your tablet right now?
Yeah.
Adam, notice how every single time we record Adam, he's complaining, but yet he talks about how much of a good time he has. So he'll have a great time.
Here, let's go walk. You ready to walk?
It smells like poop and pee. I don't like it.
Yeah. Come on, Ava, let's go. Happy birthday, Ava. Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on, Ava.
What's that?
So we're celebrating Ava's second birthday. We're at we're at Animal Kingdom with
Orlando.
Maria.
We're at
Adam.
Orlando.
And of course, the star of the show, Ava.
5.
So this is our favorite place out of all of the Disney parks because first of all, there's a lot of shade. Look how much shade there is. You see?
Let's go.
There's a lot of shade. It's beautiful. They have this really cool tree that we're gonna see, like the tree of life or whatever.
yeah.
Here it is. Whoa, ready?
Oh man, we haven't.
Ava, look at this tree.
We haven't seen that tree in years.
I know. Isn't it beautiful?
Oh man, I wish it smelled. You can't see it. I think
What a
it might-
beautiful day too. I mean, it's gorgeous out here. Speaking of gorgeous, look at that. A lot of people. Ava, careful. You want to sit? Yeah, you got glasses. Come on. Ava. Uh-oh. You won't be hot forever. Once that water slams on you, it'll cool you right off.
Okay.
Oh, look how much that. hopefully you guys enjoyed that little clip of the
Rapids.
rapids. Yeah, sorry, I had a beer, so I'm a little slow
Can
now.
I tell
Hold
him
on.
what
And
happened?
then now we're about to try Mount Everest, which here, let me show you. He just went on it with his mom. I
Yeah.
didn't get a chance to go.
Oh, it was so fun. Also doesn't have a loop or anything, but when you go at the end, there's literally I'm not lying, I'd never lie to you, a legit broken track.
Okay.
Like ripped up. It looks like a huge ass dinosaur like came in and then ripped the track there.
All right, well that sounds pretty scary. So we're about to see it and check it out for
And then
ourselves. So I forgot to put my little head thing so I could attach the GoPro on my head. So I'm gonna try to hold it facing forward while just holding on to the ride with the other hand. So we'll see how that works out. That was pretty fun. All right, guys, so we're enjoying this trip so far.
No.
So after that we got off of there was a part that I didn't get to record, but after we got off of that roller coaster, there was a male Karen. If you guys don't know what a male Karen is, you might want to research that, but we did encounter one and he was trying to like get me and Adam in trouble. So we had to like put him in check. But other than that, we're still just having a great time. And now we are headed to Dinoland for some couple rides. We're gonna use the restroom and stuff. But as I mentioned earlier, what I love about this place is the shade. There's lots of shade here. Ooh, a family bathroom. There's the dinosaur place that we're gonna go to soon, so you'll see the dinosaur whenever that happens in a few hours. I might actually switch to the Sony A7C because the GoPros are horrible in low light conditions. See you then.